When I get nervous, I bite myself. Hi everybody, my name is Hayden. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. Before you cook in the kitchen, you have to wash your hands. Now we need to pick out the stuff to make eggs. You are going to need a spatula. You need to get however many eggs you want. And so that they don't roll over the counter, you should get something to put them in. And, I would use a metal pudding bowl cup to crack the eggs on. But whichever one works best for you, you can use. And you'd also want to use a good type of pot to put eggs in, which is something like this. And so that the eggs do not stick to the pot, you have to put butter on it before you put the eggs on. And everyone knows to cut the butter, you need a butter knife. Next, we're going to take an egg, hold the measuring cup, and lightly bang the egg on the side. Make sure that if any egg cell gets into the pot when you're opening the egg, you have to take it out. You'll also need a whisk to stir the eggs. Stir the eggs until they look all mashed together. Now it's time to cook the eggs. But if you want, you can add a bit of milk. Now you have to cut the butter. Hold the thing that the butter's on. And then cut the butter. Which apparently takes a while. Get this. Before you put the eggs on the stove, you want to tell an adult to help you turn on the stove. Enough butter everywhere. Make sure that the entire piece of butter has gone away. So now you're gonna use a spatula and cook the eggs. Pour the eggs on the pot after you take the whisk out. Okay? You don't wanna cook a whisk. You know, it's ugly. You don't cook whisk. There's no thing to do. It's not it. Now, gently pour the eggs onto the stove. And wait a second for it to start, doing its thing. And if you want to speed it up a little, you can always put a lid on it, but be careful with it. Let's take back our eggs. As you can see, the eggs have started to get a little bit more solid than how they were before. So you want to keep doing this for as long as it takes for them to look all scrambled eggs like. The scrambled eggs will be ready when there's no more liquid left and they're yellow and soft and squishy but crumbly type of thing. check again on our eggs. Looks like they've cooked a lot since last time we checked on them. So now you want to flip the eggs so that they don't burn on one side and so that more of the liquid that's on one side gets to the pot. And if your eggs are very hard to flip, you can always chop them up first so that it's easier to flip the eggs. Looks like our eggs are just about done. Some people like cheese on their eggs. If you do, this is the time to put cheese on them. Now it's time to put our eggs on the plate. Some people like salt and pepper on their eggs. So you want to add a healthy amount of pepper and a healthy amount of salt, definitely. Now it's time to eat our eggs after they cool off. Remember to eat your eggs with a fork. These eggs are really good. Can't wait until you try them when you make them.